Y'all, I'm officially dubbing myself the queen of improvising, however you say it. I have a light that is so super bright, but it's so pretty. So I have it set up, but it's too close to me, right? So what I did was, because I look really, really harsh, I put a paper towel over it and it diffused it. Y'all, it looks so good. I just don't want it to burn, but it's an LED light, so it shouldn't burn. So, okay, queen of improv. Thank you.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, so I am so glad to be back. I know a lot of you noticed that I was gone for a while. Me and Bae, actually, fiance Bae, okay. We actually took a break from social media. So we decided to take a couple months off of social media because it was just a lot going on within our family that I don't even want to speak on. Just family members having health issues. It was just a lot going on, y'all. So we were just like, okay, we're gonna focus, we're gonna work, we're gonna, focus on each other, get closer to God, we're gonna stay off of social media, we're just gonna do our thing. And then when my prom season started back up, which was yesterday, October the 1st, it's the 2nd as I'm recording this, and yeah, we was just like, let's jump back on there. And then what we said, babe? Yeah. So I am back, guys, and I am so super excited. Honestly, y'all made me feel really good. What you doing back there? Y'all made me feel real good though, for real. Like, for real, y'all made me feel so good. The comments like, girl, come back, and all this stuff. Like, it's good to be missed. Like, I feel like y'all my family or without them. But I'm super excited, y'all. I got plenty of good content. I have one idea that I absolutely love, and I'm trying to develop it and figure out what I want to name it and stuff. But basically, okay, I'm a bartender. Not a certified bartender or anything, but I just like to make drinks and I like to drink drinks. So I wanted to incorporate that in my videos in some kind of way. So I wanted to do something like cocktail dresses and cocktails or something like that. And I'm trying to think of a cute name to, do it. So if you guys can think of anything, cocktail dresses and cocktails, if you can think of something catchy, let me know. Leave it in the comments and I would appreciate it so much, you guys. And of course, I hate when little pieces of lint just float around like that. What was I saying again? I won't be filming in here. I'm just in here for right now because I just got to figure out, we moved some stuff around in the living room, so I'm just trying to figure out where I want to be. Then we're getting a backdrop. We're getting ring light, all that good stuff. So this content can be super dope. Oh, let me tell you another thing that I'm hoping to do with this channel. Baby, your shirt is dirty. You want to say hey? Hey. Say hey, sit up. Hold on, let me go up some. I let my chair all the way down. Oh, y'all, I was super low. Hold your head up, eh? This angle is so close, y'all, because I'm at the foot of my bed. But I want to include more lifestyle stuff because that's actually what I enjoy watching. Like, I live for lifestyle videos. Aaliyah J is one of my favorites, and I love watching her and her boyfriend. The traveling and all that good stuff. Stop, baby. So I said I would incorporate more of my life and just what we do from day to day. And what he has going on, because he's a rapper, as you know, most of you know, and it's just been a lot of stuff going on lately. So I just want to start showing more into that. I want to do more tutorials, of course, because that's what you guys came here for. I'm gonna do an update on my lipo. Y'all, I'm snatched. I might put a picture in here from my Instagram that I just posted today. I'm 4 months post-op, and I am a slow healer. I am a really slow healer, but my swelling, you know what? No. You gotta wait, and you gotta watch my update video for that. But I just really wanted to let you guys know that I love you, and I'm grateful for all of you who watch my video. Like, that's so amazing that you take the time out of your day to watch my videos. And it makes me want to keep creating more stuff, keep coming up with creative content, and just stuff that I personally couldn't find and had to figure out. Oh, and I had came up with this thing, right? Where I was like, oh, right? Yeah. So I came up with this thing where I was like, after every video, I'm gonna say, Bae, what did I say I was gonna say at the end of every video?
Bae. Over here.
Oh, I know. No, I got it. Okay, guys, live, love, and go be fierce. I'm gonna work on that, but you guys get it though. I think it's kind of cute. It has potential. All right, guys, see y'all later.
I will give you the world. Just hold me down and stand by me. I'm just a country fan from the block.